The CCE system, the continuous comprehensive evaluation system, has really taken its honors in the school in the form of activities, scholastic and co-scholastic areas. I take this platform to inform all the parents that the system of education needs a big change in our country. It's not that what we have been following the curriculum for 100 years, now we should also follow that. No, it needs certain changes. I would like to thank the CBSE for bringing about the CCE evaluation system. The parents also must bear in mind that it's not only classroom teaching, not only rote memorization, not only the knowledge from books, which makes your children an all-rounder. No, not at all. It is the co-curricular activities, it is what the child does inside the class and outside the class, which gives a shape to his all-rounded personality. For this, parents have been supporting us in whatever endeavors the school has taken. We still need your unending support whenever school is conducting any kind of activity. As I want to tell you, now the CCE report card or the assessment system includes all these activities which are now part of the curriculum of the school. It has been a refreshing change. Earlier the students were only sticking to the books. I would like to inform you also that from this year, just now, that is from the SA2 summative assessment 2, CBSE is going to introduce the open book examination like it is conducted in European countries. Open book examination means that it will be critical thinking, hot question, higher order thinking, skill based examination for class 10. So total change in the evaluation system or going away from the marks. Parents must bear in mind that awarding the marks or getting 100% marks has become totally an outdated concept. Let your child bloom, let your child understand various kind of different stimulus which the school is providing to him or to her. That is the various activities, the co-scholastic activities, whether he is good in music or dramatics or public speaking or art and craft. All these are important part of the development of the child. I thank the parents for reposing the faith in our school system, in the specially designed curriculum. I would like to thank the ASCHAM people. It is one of the best publishing house in India for their unending support and for giving us their smart digital classrooms. The school has been equipped with 6 smart high-tech digital classrooms with the latest curriculum of international level, which your children are already using. The school is adapting itself to the latest changes and according to the new curriculum which is being given by the CBSE. Through my various visits abroad, I recently happened to be in Germany and in Switzerland. I always try that I should visit some school. And when I come back home, I'm more refreshed, more confident to be in Career Academy, as I can easily compare with the schools in European countries with my school. Whatever positive aspects they have, I try to bring it to Career. In no way Career Academy's curriculum is different from European system or anywhere else in the country. We are always trying to march ahead to have the latest developments which are required in the international level for your child to grow. I think I am not just speaking this in words. It was very much evident how the children speak on the dais and how they perform. Their confidence level is so high. That is what is called a true education system. Career Academy has achieved several milestones in both scholastic and post-scholastic areas. I would like to inform the parents that recently CBSE has started a mentoring system, and our school has been made special mentor by the CBSE for this, which we are very, very proud. Only 4 schools in Patiala have been selected, and we are going to inspect other schools and teach them and inspect them on how to channelize the CCE system. A big hand for the staff and management of the Career Academy School. And thanks to the CBSE people for selecting our school, and our team of staff members went to 6 different schools of Patiala district to inspect them and to train them on how to handle the CCE system. Career Academy has achieved several milestones in all the areas. Old careers you will find them in all parts of the world. It feels certainly proud when students from Canada, from Germany who have passed out from Career Academy come in contact with me through Facebook or through latest all these social networking sites and tell us where they are going. Tomorrow our student Rubelpreet Kaur, an IIT holder now in Delhi, will be giving you a speech of how Career Academy has shaped her life and made her what she is today. Students have been selected in IITs, in NDA, in various prestigious official designations in India who have passed out from the school. It is certainly a proud moment for us. Education is dynamic, always changing, and we constantly need to update. The traditional educational mindset used as predefined generic curriculum which led to one-size-fits-all approach to learning. Technology has forced us to redefine education. Changes of enormous magnitude are occurring quickly. Young adults are required to develop skills of critical thinking, problem solving, reasoning skills, and produce results. The CBSE has started with a new subject known as PSA Problem Solving Assessment. And for your information, the Career Academy students were already doing this problem solving assessment since 5 years. Technology classrooms have facilitated learning so as to become self-learners, discoverers, and self-assessors. Actually, the seed is sown. What I feel in the first 6 years, it is said 90% of the development of the child's brain happens in the first 6 years. That is the formative years. That is the nursery class, LKG class, UKG class, and class 1 are the most critical years of the child's life. If we are able to provide proper atmosphere, environment, proper curriculum to the child will not have any kind of problem in the senior classes or in the class 10 or plus 2. It is not the results of education are to be seen after 20 years, not immediately. Parents must bear this in mind that what the child is getting now in the kindergarten classes, in the pre-primary and the primary classes, the result will be foreseen much later on. So we thank you all for providing us your constant support in holding this annual function also. It was a big job, as you can see. I would like to thank all my staff members who have been working day and night in training the children, selecting the dresses, getting the costumes done, getting their rehearsals. It was not an easy job, but still Career Academy is a teamwork, and we teamwork very hard for the children to make them an all-round development, all-round developed, holistic individual of the future citizens of India. Thank you, one and all.